How you guys doing? Good morning. It's me, your girl, B Love, again in the building. So, guys, this morning I am going out to the street of Lagos. I'm going to have an appointment in two places this morning. I don't know how I am going to meet up with those two appointments because they are not in the same place. You know, Lagos and traffic, like you cannot keep up with two appointments at the same time. Like, this is Milan. So I'm going to my tool this morning to pick up the stuff that my mom sent to me from the village to take back with me, and I'm traveling very soon, very soon actually. So I have to pick up those stuff this morning. If not, I don't know when I will be able to do it, or maybe I'll probably leave it with the driver. So I have to pick that up this morning and then go to Egbeda to pick up a document for my fiance. And what else? I have so many things to do this morning, guys, and I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we just hope that there is no traffic this morning because Lagos and traffic, they are so close. So I don't know how I'm able to do this morning because yesterday I spent the whole day in the markets, like Balogo market, guys. See what your girl has been up to. So everything you see here, I'll be shopping, guys. See this Ghana must is filled with hair, and we still have hair on the floor there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I'm just going to see what I can do this morning, and I am going to take you guys along with me as well. So let's hit the street of Lagos. Okay, let me see what I can show you this morning. Let me show you the hustle. Let me show you the hustle and the bustle. Like, people are hustling to get to work, to get things done. Lagos is like a busy place. Lagos is too busy for my liking. I miss Abuja. Abuja, you can go for 3 appointments at the same time. You don't have a problem. But here in Lagos, you cannot go to 3 appointments if they are not in the same place. Even in the same place, sometimes hold up can keep you one place and then you miss your appointment. But let's see how we can be able to meet up with these 2 appointments because I have until 10 o'clock. Good morning. So, guys, focus. Oh no, focus. So, guys, I have to first take Okada before going to take the bus. Good morning. This is how 7 o'clock looks like in Lagos. The weather is bright, but not really that bright anyways, but it's okay. So this is how. So let's go take Okada now and then take bus to Oshodi. From there we'll take to my 2. Let's go. guys, I'm here for my first appointment. I'm in my 2 Lagos. So this is how my 2 looks like, guys. Just this is how my 2 looks like. So this is actually my first time here, guys. I've never been to my 2 before. So let's go and pick up my package and let's see if we can meet up with the other appointment for the day. And mind you, Lagos is so noisy, but my 2 is fine. It's fine. So let's see what we can do today. So guys, I have the first bag. I am going to Egbeda now. First errand for the day done. But this is like 9:20. Yes, journey that started to 7 o'clock, guys. So this is the bag that my mom brought from the village. So I'm going to unbox it when I get home. Okay? See you soon. For my second. So guys, I just arrived location number 2. So I'm in Egbeda now, and it's 11 o'clock already. So I guess I can't say I made it already because I'm still going to go to Bagada today. That's where I live. That's where my house is. So I'm still going to go there. So hi guys. So I've been able to accomplish our mission for today. So I have the 2 packages here. I am on my way back home now. So I decided to call a request for Uber because there is going to be hold up, and I don't want to experience that heat that I experienced just now while coming here. The road was so busy and there were a lot of people, you know, going to work and all that stuff, and the bus was too tight. I don't want to experience that kind of hell that I went through. So I'm just going to go back home now, and it's 11:41. So let's see what time we'll get home. So hi guys. So finally guys, I am home. This is 1 o'clock. Like I left this house by 7. See the time I'm coming back. I'm even lucky that while coming back there's no hold up yet though. There will be hold up later, but for now there's no hold up. So I'm so lucky. So yeah, I'm here again. So I just have 1 hour to stay. I just have 1 hour to be home. I am going out again to do a collab video with another YouTuber. So this is actually going to be my first collaboration anyway, but just watch out guys, your girl is up to something. So guys, I was able to go to Egbeda, go to my 2 just within how many hours? Like within 4. So within 6 hours guys, I was able to go to my 2, from my 2 to Egbeda, from Egbeda back to Bagada. So I'm lucky guys, I'm really lucky today. And yeah, let's unbox what my mom brought from the village. Where's the bag? So this one is the one I went to collect for my fiancé. So here is what my mom sent to me from the village. And yeah, inside here we have a lot of stuff from the village. Let's see what she has for me. She said I should take it back with me to Europe.